one drone entrepreneurs. So they refuse to adopt or new use opportunities to make changes in production. So they don't change. It is mostly similar to the previous thing. They don't change, and even if an opportunity comes for changing, they will not use it. So they refuse to adopt or use opportunities to make changes in the production. So that they are not willing to change themselves. So if they do so for a longer period of time, they would suffer in losses, and they do not come forward to make changes because they follow the belief in customs, religion, tradition, and past practices. So if they are not willing to adapt themselves to the new generation or new technological environment, they will naturally suffer huge amount of losses because they suffer this because they have a strong belief in customs, religion, tradition, and past practices. So they cite these as the reason for not adopting to change. But by doing so, they are going to be in huge amount of losses. So in fields, their products, the product lost its market due to uneconomic operation. Definitely, the products will not sustain for long in the market. The product will miserably fail. They will, because the company is going to be in loss. Over a period, they are pushed out of the market. Yes, so they, over a period of time, when the losses are going to increase manifold, definitely they have to close the company and go. They are pushed out of the market. So these are drone entrepreneurs. Drone means that it is very lazy. So it is just like you are sitting lazily without doing anything, without changing anything. So you just blindly follow the customs and you make your company in loss. And finally, you lose your company by having all these traditions, customs, and past practices. Example is there is a tobacco making industry which is still making tobaccos by hand. So this is available in the villages. They don't have the machineries. They do this by hand. But actually the machine is available, but they are not willing to change because they say tradition. Mud pot by hand and handloom weavers. So all these they are not willing to change to technology because nobody is there to fund them, or they don't want to venture into a new area which is not new to them, which is not known to them. So by doing so, at one point when the technology is going to be fully overtake them, they are going to be in loss. They are going to